Hey everybody, it's Ian, the Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. It's hard to believe after we finish today's clue, we will be halfway through the puzzle mystery quilt for Sparkle and Shine. It is always exciting when we hit that halfway mark because it means we are halfway towards the end and finding out what this quilt looks like. I feel like I say that every time I do a video, but again, it's just so exciting to put all the pieces together and see what the quilt looks like. So let's go ahead and take a look at clue number 5. All right, here are our instructions. Don't forget to grab your fabric guide, and then clue number 5, let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. All right, hiding inside my clue number 5 was a little goodie. This is a Cotton Cuts, one of those puzzle shifting, what are these called? I don't know what these are called, but these are the little shifting puzzles that I had in my Easter basket as a kid. So I've got a fun little Cotton Cuts one that I can play with now. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And inside clue number 5, we have 8 small triangles of fabric F, 8 small triangles of fabric E. We also have 8 squares of fabric C, and that's it. This looks like it's going to be a very simple and quick clue, so let's go ahead and get to the instructions. All right, starting off for section 5, clue 5, we'll be making 4 of these at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and be making all of the clue portions for section 5 all at the same time. For step number 1, it says to join a small triangle of E to a small triangle of F, and we're going to make 8 of these. I don't think we've had, at least for the small quilt, we haven't had fabric F yet that I can remember. I have to go back and look at the other videos, but I don't think we've had them yet. So all we're going to do is just join these 2 triangles together to make 8 half square triangles, and yeah, that's going to be it. So let me go ahead and put 8 of these together. All right, so I've gone ahead and gotten all my 8 half square triangles put together, and it says to press towards F, which I have totally messed up on, and I was pressing towards E, so I need to go back and redo that. But in order to do that, all I have to do is, just flip it around like this, and then again, with half square triangles, you go up and then over, and then it opens up nicely like that. So I need to go back through and repress all the ones that I did because I did it wrong. Dang it. But that's okay. It will be easy to fix. All right, I've pressed everything again. It should be good to go now. It measures 3.5 inches square. We're going to move on to step number 2 now. We're going to do this 8 times. We're going to join a C square to the right of step 1 and press towards F. So we're going to be pressing towards, in my case, the green fabric. And we're just going to take our 2 squares, combine them on this side, and we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that 8 times. Okay, I've gone ahead and sewn all those together. Remember, we did 8 of those. I'm pressing towards my E fabric, which in my case is this green fabric. And whoops, we're getting some bunching on here on the back. So let me fix that really quick. Okay, so we've finished that. We've pressed towards F. We've made 8 of them. It should measure 6.5 by 3.5 inches. And now we're going to move on to step number 3. And step 3 says to join step 2 units as shown and press towards the top. So what we're going to do is I have my EFC. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to flip it upside down. So now it's CFE. And so when you put them together, we have this kind of bow tie shape here in the center, and we're going to be making 4 of these. So let's go ahead and do this 4 times. All right, there we go. We have sewn those together. I'm pressing upwards. It doesn't really matter because these blocks, you can rotate them 180 and they'll look exactly the same. So it doesn't really matter which way is which really, and there you go, we finished clue number 5 for Sparkle and Shine. Label these with clue number 5 and put these with the rest of your clues. We're halfway there, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm making it my goal in 2021 to hit 100,000 subscribers, but I need your help to make that happen. Take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then don't forget to check out the other great videos that I have here on my channel. Also, share this video with your friends and tell them to come check out the Kilter Crafter.